Lazy Acres Solar Energy Project presented by Mr. Alexander at the last meeting. As I've said before a number of times, the first meeting is just an introductory meeting, and the board does not take a thorough review or make a thorough review of an application before that first meeting. We just like to hear from the individuals who are making those applications. As it turns out, very quickly after I had looked at the initial permit that was let on July 18, 2012, and in talking with Mr. Millington, he, what's the word we like? He extended that permit on the same date of this year. I subsequently went to meet with Mr. Alexander and found that he had made substantial progress in obtaining all the switching gear. He has a 400 amp service already in place. He has 3 or 4 inverters, all the necessary electrical components, switching components. That being the case, he is, from what Mr. Millington and I were able to determine, is completely vested, or is vested. And being that those 2 permits were back-to-back, one permit with its extension, he falls under what we call the old law, if you will, that was last amended in 1998, which the solar array is determined to be an accessory structure. So it does not belong under the purview of the planning board, and that is the reason why the public hearing was canceled. So that is really an issue between Mr. Millington and Mr. Alexander.